Hello children, we begin with the new chapter decimal fractions. What does it mean? Look at this page number 52, decimal fractions. A fraction whose denominator is 10, 100 or 1000 or any other 10 times multiple of 10 is called a decimal fraction. What it means is, if I were to write a number like this 5 upon 10, 68 upon 100, 285 upon 100. These fractions are written in the numerator and denominator form. Such fractions are called decimal fractions. That is, when you write a number in a numerator and denominator form and the denominator is multiple of 10, that is 10, 100, 1000 and so on, such fractions are called decimal fractions. Okay, when I write it like this, 5 is the numerator and 10 is the denominator. 68 is the numerator, 100 is the denominator and so on. Okay. Next, there is something called as decimal point. The decimal place is created for writing a fraction. When writing numbers, a dot is written after the last digit of the whole part of a number to indicate the end of that part. What it means is, suppose you have a number like this 8 5 upon 10. To write it in the decimal way, this is how I write 8. 5 upon 10 is written as 0.5. Now since I have a 8 here, I write it as 8.5. 5 upon 10. Since you have a 10 in the denominator, your decimal will come one digit to the left. So it is 8.5. Okay. And it is written as 8.5. 23 upon 10. So 23 upon 10 is 0.3. There's 1 0 in the denominator. So decimal will go one place to the left of 3 and so your answer is 20.3. 7 upon 10 is written as 0.7. Okay. Now we come to problem set 36. So children, before we start problem set 36, how must you write in your classwork? You will write the heading of the lesson, decimal fractions. Then you will write the first line, a fraction whose denominator is 10, 100 or 1000 or any other 10 times multiple of 10 is called a decimal fraction. For example, you can write these three fractions. After this, you come to decimal point and you will write the decimal place is created for writing a fraction. When writing numbers, a dot is written after the last digit of the whole part of a number to indicate the end of that part. This symbol is called a decimal point. The decimal point is used to write. Then you give this example 8.5. Okay. This is read as 8.5. So this whole paragraph to be written for decimal point. After this, we will start with exercise problem set 36. Now first question. Write the following mixed fractions in decimal form and read them aloud. Now, I have solved this for you here. First question, 3 9 upon 10. This is written as 3.9. Okay. Next, 1 4 upon 10 is written as 1.4. 4 by 10, decimal comes to the left, 1.4. Okay. 5 3 by 10 is 5.3. 8 upon 10 is 0.8. 7 by 10 is 0.7. So this is your first exercise, that is exercise number 36. Okay. Next, you will give your heading hundreds. What it means is, just like how you had 1 upon 10, you can have numbers 1 upon 100. Now for example, 14 upon 100. How do I write this? Now you have 100, 2 zeros in the denominator. So in that case, your decimal will go 2 places to the left. So from 4, then from 4 to 1. So your answer is 0.14. That's the only difference. When you had 3 upon 10, your decimal used to go 1 place to the left. When you have 2 zeros, your decimal will go 2 places to the left. Okay. Now for example, look at this example, 50 71 upon 100. So 50.2 zeros, so 2 places to the left, so 50.71. Look at these examples here. 7 5 upon 10 is 7.5. 7 5 upon 100. So 2 places to the left, first 5, then there is no other number, so put a 0 and point comes before that. So your answer is 7.05. 82 upon 100, 1 and second place 0.82. Next 25 6 upon 100, 25.2 places to the left 6 and then comes 0. So 25.06. Okay. Now children, after you finish exercise 36, you will write now this is just for your understanding. You can straight away come to problem set 37. Okay, you need not write all this. You can go through this, what is there in your textbook, understand it as I have explained to you, and then come straight to problem set 37. The question says, write the following mixed fractions in the decimal form and read them aloud. Now, first question, 9 1 upon 10 is 9.1. 9 1 upon 100 is 9.01. Okay. 4 53 by 100, 4.53. 78 upon 100, 0.78. 5 upon 100, 0.05. Okay. Next, question number 6. 5 upon 10 is 0.5. 2 upon 10 is 0.2. 20 by 100 is 0.20. Okay. Children, now this what I have solved, both the exercises, I will be putting up the image. Please refer to it and write it down in your classwork. I hope you have understood so far whatever we have done. Please complete your books, keep it up to date and see that you are doing the same exercise that I am telling you to do. Do not keep your work pending, because then you will not understand and you will find it very difficult when you give your test or exam. Okay, that's all children for today. Thank you.